What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to this channel. In this one, I'm showing you how I actually make my money in meme coins, because it is not what most people expect. I am not trading charts or guessing entries. I am deving and controlling the entire coin. This approach has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars and is still working right now. Let's break it all down into this video. This phantom wallet was not built overnight. It was built by launching meme coins the smart way, on repeat, bro. I'm breaking it all down into this video. Let's get it. Now, a lot of people get wiped completely in meme coins because they made one mistake. They get wiped because they choose to trade meme coins instead of launching. They buy inside the coin, and after a couple seconds, they lose all their money to the dev of the coin because they get completely liquidated. That's exactly why advanced traders and influential KOLs are moving away from trading and into launching. It's low downside and high rewarding, okay? And honestly, bro, it's way more enjoyable. When you trade meme coins, you are feeding liquidity to the creators. You are buying, and entrusting your funds to the creator. But when you launch your own coin, though, you are the one setting the rules and you are the one controlling the chart. Now, the process as a dev is simple. Deploy the token, okay? You let interest build naturally, and then boom, when the market cap is high, you can just take your profits out and just rinse and repeat that method, okay, over and over again. Now, yes, bro, launching has become the new meta because putting a meme coin on chain costs almost nothing, okay? You can launch coins over and over again, and if you only make a couple $100, you can just restart over and over again. And that's exactly how I built my crypto portfolio from $0 to over millions of dollars. So keep watching, because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first coin and how it can turn into real gains, bro, all into this video. And just to be clear, okay, this entire video was made for entertainment and educational purposes only. It's all fake. Cap! So please don't copy me. I do not condone any financial advice. Cap! Now, when someone starts mapping out their first meme coin launch, the platform they usually default to is Pump.Fun. It's the most visible option, so it feels like the most obvious starting point. But that is where the error begins. Pump.Fun is overcrowded to the extreme. Tokens are created non-stop and launching every single second. And most of these coins, okay, they go to zero. If you're still launching here, you are not really progressing, you are just testing your luck and gambling. On top of that, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a cut from your creator fees. So from day one, you are handing over your control of your own project and you are basically losing money. And as a dev, bro, the real actual objective is getting your token in front of the Raydium DEX and to get your coin migrated. But on Pump.Fun, reaching that point takes too long and you have to rely too much on chance. So I moved on to create meme.io, bro, because it's truly better. Let me explain why. First of all your meme coins will be launched directly to Raydium instantly, which will skip the entire bonding curve. Second of all, you control your own liquidity. You created yourself. Everything is in your control as a dev, right? And third of all, a bunch of high KOL devs are using this launchpad, and that's why I use it myself, because, you know, I'm a follower. I like to use what is working already. So that's why I use this launchpad, bro, simply for more attention and more eyes on my coin. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how a coin gets launched on this platform. There are two ways to create a token here, and the choice comes down to you. The first method is to create the coin completely from scratch. This starts with the narrative. You want something that has attention behind it. Now, I like to go on X, which is called Twitter. I like to go on Instagram, TikTok, and I like to look for some tweets to make a coin out of. It could be literally anything, right? From an NHL game, from an NFL game, anything, right? Just find that fucking narrative and make a meme coin out of it. So, create a name, add a quick symbol, then upload the logo, confirm, and your custom token is live within minutes. But if you're focused on speed and you want fast momentum, well, there's a second option, right? And that's by copying coins that are already trending on Pump.Fun. Now, all of these tokens are already blowing up and putting in constant buyers on Pump.Fun, which means the attention is proven and the hype is active. So instead of launching a whole new coin from scratch, you are tapping directly into momentum that's already moving, and that means instant transactions, quicker volume in your coin, and faster profits, okay? Now both methods work, but I copy coins personally. Anyways, now it's time for the real deal. I will be deploying a token right now, okay, from the copy trending coins feature. First of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected, right? Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy, right? Just go for one. If it doesn't work, if you only make a couple $100, go for the next one. I'm gonna do the ghosty coin. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago, which means it could be good, right? Click on create coin. Then ignore the block, click on proceed. By the way, the domain is brand new, they just updated their name, right? But yeah, click on confirm. I understand. Then click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple minutes, seconds, right? Boom. If I go in soul scan, you guys can see that the coin is minted on the Solana blockchain, so it's legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this is where everything starts for the Memecoin, okay? We are just adding and creating the Raydium liquidity pool, and here is what opens up the public to buying and selling your coin, right? It will pop up right here right after, and people will be able to buy in. Now, token A, click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens. For token B, right, this is the first spark that opens up the market, which means it's the first initial buy, which will be you as a dev. You are not losing any SOL here. It is just locked in to start the chart. Now, the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and that amount returns to you once the liquidity is removed. So we have nothing to fucking worry about, right? I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, click on create pool, wait for your wallet to pop, and then click on confirm. When that is done and complete, click on refresh, then just scroll down and boom, the ghosty coin is now live. You have your pooled SOL and you have your profits right here. And obviously, bro, if you want to check your profits whenever you want, just click on this button once again. And as you guys can see, we are up $100, right? People are now buying our coin and they are liking it. Now click on view on photon or Axum to see the chart. Let me go on full screen, give it some time for it to fucking load. Okay, let's fucking go. As you guys can see, bro, this coin is fucking spiking. Oh my god, there's so much volume coming in. This is what we like to see. Even though it's going down, bro, volume is good because we're making money off every single transactions from the Pump.Fun creator fees, and more people are going to start seeing the coin, so more people are going to start aping in. That is why, oh, this is bad a bit. Do not worry about it, bro. It is going to go higher and higher. This is actually a good time to buy if I were a trader, right? So people are going to buy in right here. I hope so. Come on, 1.2k market cap. This is kind of bad. Don't worry about it, bro. Trust the process. Come on. Okay, $74 buy, that's good. Come on, we need more momentum in the coin. Bro, anyways, bro, we created this coin for completely nothing, $0. And now we're getting all this traction. Like, I'm happy no matter what, bro. Let's go, it's going up. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, we are at a 3.8k market cap. Things are looking actually great. Now, to make some money, bro, if your coin is up some money, come back to create meme.io real quick. After that, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.8 thousand USD with a 4.4k market cap. Now click on the mouse button, do 100%, my bad. Click on remove, then just wait. Oh my god. And now as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive 12.98. So click on confirm, and bang! That's exactly how you do it, bro, from me, myself, and I. Now, if I open my wallet for proof, because a bunch of you guys in the comments actually do not believe me, boom, it's in my wallet, bro, 12.7 SOL, okay, just like that. Obviously, bro, this was all for educational purposes only, bro, but create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. Go try for itself. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, DM me there, okay, or to network with others, and yeah, peace out.